Hey Max Impactors, welcome to the cooking episode on our channel. We are making a healthy 3-can chicken and rice recipe that the whole family is going to love. Check out the written instructions in the description and let's get this recipe started. First, spray our pan. Add 2 cups of rice. Stir in our 3 cans, cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, cream of celery. Add 2 additional cans of just tap water and mix. Now we're going to arrange the chicken in the pan on top of the rice. And if you want to make this recipe a little bit healthier, you can use brown rice instead of white rice. Then we're going to just add a little salt to the top of the chicken, a little paprika. Never can go wrong with paprika. And just a little bit of pepper. Add a little bit of butter. This is 2 tablespoons cut up into 8 blocks. And now it's ready for the oven. The oven is preset to 350 degrees. We're going to put our pan with the mixture into the oven and we're going to cook it until the chicken is brown and the rice is bubbly. It's been an hour and a half and now our chicken and rice is done. So let's get it out of the oven. Our meal is done. Hey, I just really love cooking with these cast iron pans. You can use them on the top, you can use them in the oven. They're very versatile. And if you're interested in the one that I'm using here in this video, just check in the description for a link to it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.